ngai ko play pi perlok boro ke cepat je kini ka video kumbang tiap boro setelap ke pertai ki madu kenyang jengpang covid-19 bat kari India jengiru kadai kawai nak kata kiri ki barsakta hauni covid-19 dia kebakam sesi isu kolong ba mentara kari India jengi tang hakini ki kinat teo ke belada bro kelama dek eryong ke bala penjot ya buan ba kejing imbrio bat kejing tong jencap bat kumta terter bat dia mentaru kari India jengi kelamat sakawai pat kecing ya kata kecing Hiar thma jangki puit nakari Pakistan bat kini kecing Hiar thma jangki puit kelabu kari India jengi kecing sir bat kidon katu kini kejela ki balashakta kata kejela kadai ka Madhya Pradesh Rajasthan bat Uttar Pradesh laong ba kecing Hiar thma jangki puit kalong ba nakadau jong kecing kala jong kecing peneng ketkum kecing itu sa Ministry of Environment and Forest jong kari India Detu menta ngini pen kumno kini ki puit ki hatma
There is a risk for it spreading. The countries that are on watch, the most significant countries on watch at this point are Uganda and South Sudan. Uganda has not had to deal with a locust infestation since the 60s. And in a country like South Sudan, already there are 47% of the population is food insecure.